Alright, it says, put the following in vertex form, then state the vertex. Okay, put it in vertex form. That is completing the square. So again, negative b over 2a. A is alone, so we can go ahead and start this. So negative b, that's, oh no, not negative b over 2a, it's b over 2 squared. I apologize, b over 2 squared. So your b value is negative 8, divided by 2 is negative 4. Squared gives you a positive 16. So again, we're going to add it once after the x, and once on the other side. Alright, I put it here to complete the square with this. Alright, and I put it on the left side to keep a balanced equation. Okay, so that's y plus 16 equals x squared minus 8x plus 16 minus 14. And now this is my perfect square. So that's y plus 16, and if we factor that out, we get x on the left, 4 on the right, and they have to be negative to get back to a negative 8. Right, minus 14. Move the 16 over, so I'll subtract the 16. That's y equals x minus 4 squared. 16 minus 14, that's negative 30. And that's your vertex form. Okay. Oh, and then state the vertex. Okay. Vertex is at 4, negative 30. Now number 23. Same idea, except we have an a value now. Oh my goodness, we've got an a value. Okay, so let's start off by dividing it out of these two. Since I can't divide it out of y, I'm just going to pull it out of those two. So that's y equals negative 2 x squared. 28 divided by negative 2 is negative 14x minus 104. And so now the b value I'm going to use is at negative 14. Negative 14 divided by 2 squared, that's what, 49? That's what, negative 7 squared is 40, yep, 49. So again, I'm going to add it right here, and I'm going to add it right there. But I'm not just going to add a 7, I'm adding a 7 times negative 2. Because over here, everything in the parentheses is being multiplied by a negative 2. Minus 104. Okay? Pardon me. So again, just to reiterate that, this 7, stop it, go away. This 7 is being multiplied by negative 2, so that's what I'm adding on the right. And in order to balance that out, I need to do a 7 times negative 2 on the left. Okay? And then from here, we just clean it up a little bit. 7 times negative 2 is negative 14 equals negative 2 times, that turns into what, x minus 7 and x minus 7, because 7 times 7 is, I'm an idiot. We didn't just add a 7, did we? We added a 49. I'm losing my mind. This is when everyone's like, Mr. Hunter, what are you doing? It's 6 a.m. Give me a break. 49 plus 49, because that was my b over 2 squared. My bad. Sorry, everybody. So, I was wondering why there was a 104 over here. That didn't make sense to combine to that. But anyways, y 49 times negative 2 is negative 98. Yep, 98. Negative 2. Two things that multiply to 49, add negative 14 or negative 7. Minus 104. Okay, go ahead and pause. You got to figure that out again. Again, I added up 49 times negative 2 because the 49 is being multiplied by negative 2. Okay, and then from here, we'll clean it up. Plus 98. So that's y equals negative 2, parentheses x minus 7 squared. 104 plus 98 is negative 6. And that is your vertex form. That's why this threw me off. I was like, that threw me off because I built this in order to get down to a more reasonable number. So your vertex is at positive 7, negative 6. So that is your answers. Cool? There we go. If you need more practice, go to your book, find some of these, and just work some of them out.